Action movies. These are always in our watch list. From the chasing scenes to dangerous stunts, it will always be nice to see our hero beating up villains. So here we are with some best action movies. John Wick. From its initial release, this movie gained a good reviews, and with good amount of story, it has set to be one of the best action movie franchise ever. There are a lot of best action sequences here. This movie takes us into a mafia world where hero is an assassin and the story goes on with the adventures faced by him. It sets up a good pace for audience whenever there is an action scene, mostly all the time. You can't imagine how good the action sequences here are. Jason Bourne series. A man finding his identity who used to be an ex-undercover officer. This movie set up a new vision for action sequences direction. You will also be thrilled to watch how the hero plans and execute the things. It has 5 parts and has an intriguing story plot. Action sequences directed here in a way where you can't find any background music and also looks very realistic to the viewers. Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol. An intelligent officer who works in undercover and his story. Yes, you will find good amount of challenges faced by hero in the story. Real and best stunts performed by Tom Cruise will attract everyone. It has 7 parts and also has upcoming movie, so you will not get bored soon. MI Ghost Protocol in particular is well connected to audience where you can find interesting action scenes whenever they go to steal something. Mad Max Fury Road. Don't know where the director George Miller has gone after movie Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome in 1985, but he has come with a strong Mad Max Fury Road movie in 2015, adding 4th part to his Mad Max film series. Best visuals and cruel characters can be seen in this movie. Bit of chases and crazy action sequences make the movie an eye fish to watch. You even don't need to worry if you didn't see previous parts because you can easily understand. Baby Driver. With his music playlist, he gets into chill mode and then plays him in a car, the action gets doubled. This is an action cum thriller or drama movie where this baby, the driver, seeks freedom from the crime life. This movie is a kind of refreshment from the casual action movies where you won't see much of the action but there will be some. Much of the violence but there will be some. Live Free or Die Hard. Die Hard 4. You can say this movie as the best of Die Hard movie series. With the best script and action scenes, the movie is well paced for 2 hours. You can just see action and massive chaos throughout the movie. The Transporter series. Like John Wick, Frank Martin is the man with rules. He will attract the audience with his action. Starring Jason Statham, he nailed it with his performance. Playtime is just 1.5 or 2 hours, but in this span of time, you can see a good and destructive action sequences. Hitman's Bodyguard. Okay with the serious stuff. Hitman's Bodyguard movie will book you into an action comedy case. Ryan Reynolds and Jackson combo worked out pretty well, and their comedy timing and action sequences in the movie made this worth watching. Taken. Retired detective trying to save his kid from trafficking and unknowingly gets into a mess. This movie nailed the action movie basics and made a must watch in our watch list. Hero does a good thinking in escaping from or catching the bad guys, so it's worth watching a while. Kingsman series. You just won't get bored watching this movie or series. This spy action cum thriller can be added to your watch list as this is a well executed movie series.